हाँ.
She's there. You
हाँ
can
हाँ
start.
बहन, हाँ स्टार्ट.
A very good afternoon to all of you. We are here for the second day of the 2 days national webinar on food and nutrition in present scenario of COVID-19. I, Dr. Garima Upadhyay, Associate Professor, Food and Nutrition, Department of Home Science, Vasant Kanya Mahavidyalaya. I welcome you all on my behalf and on behalf of Vasant Kanya Mahavidyalaya. In the first session of today, the sub-theme is Nutrition Information Management Surveillance and Monitoring in Context of COVID-19. Surveillance and monitoring are critical components of a well-functioning public health system. Public health professionals use surveillance to assist them in performing many of their key functions like monitoring, vector control, responding to the outbreak of infectious disease, etc. Monitoring is keeping watch on how things are going on, and surveillance is ongoing activity and its collection of data for action. There are various objectives of surveillance, that is to monitor trends in COVID-19 disease at national and global level, provide epidemiological information to guide preparedness and response measures. As a nutrition community, we need to continue to develop our understanding on practical solutions for sustained collection, interpretation, analysis, and management of nutrition-related data for surveillance and monitoring of the nutrition situation and relevant nutrition programs in context of COVID-19. Nutrition data and information are critical to determine the nutritional status of population, and the nutritional status of populations or individuals has for long been considered as an indicator of resilience against destabilization. With this background, I welcome Professor Ratan Srivastav sir. Really, sir, we are honored to hear from you and get benefited from your expertise and your experience of 39 years. Sir is expert in epidemiology and health services, research, health program evaluation, research methodology, telemedicine, and teleeducation. Various academic positions in national level multicentric studies. Sir has held various academic positions in national level and multicentric studies. He has been invited as international guest speaker in USA, Bangkok, and Hungary. Sir has a vast academic and administrative experience, and he has been a trainer of various national level programs and had consultant at various services. He is the recipient of Scroll of Honor Award, Fellowship Award of Indian Society of Hypertension, Fellowship of International College of Nutrition Sciences. I welcome you, sir. Over to Professor Ratan Srivastav.